Okay, here we is. Cut out a bunch of pieces parts, tabs and slots, and maybe we can see that if we fold this up, it looks like a tail, and that if we put this on, it might look like a wing, and this piece turns into an F-15 fighter jet, as I'll show you in a bit here. Okay, there's your F-15 fighter jet, kind of stuck together. It needs some horizontal tail planes, some flaperons. Cockpit goes there, and then there's a pointy nose that goes out front. But that's what this machine will do. There is another thing this machine will do. Because the two ends of the wire move independently of one another, you can cut a big shape on one end of a block and a small shape on the other end of the block, and end up with a piece like this that is tapered to be smaller on one end than on the other. And, you know, you could call that a wing, or you could get creative with the carbon fiber and put carbon fiber over the foam and then have a hollow piece, and this is going to be a landing gear leg for an airplane that's being built at the Wausau Airport that seats 2 people. Very useful piece of equipment. That is all.